Hello friends, let us talk about top 5 bookkeeping tips for getting your books in shape. Welcome to My Learning Center. This is Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center. It is time to get down and analyze your books and plans for the coming year now that year-end and tax season are done. I enjoy tax season, but not for the reasons you may think. I enjoy it because it allows me to interact with my clients and assist them in implementing some easy strategies and strategizing to help them get their books in order. My top 5 bookkeeping secrets are as follows. Number 1. Maintain an audit trail. I know it's a fancy bookkeeping term and some people are afraid of the word audit. But an audit trail is just a numerical record of all your invoices, checks, and costs. Does it appear to be intimidating? Don't worry. When it comes to bookkeeping software, you have a lot of options. QuickBooks is my particular favorite. Number 2. Reminders of due dates. Use your Outlook calendar, Google Calendar, Wall Calendar, or whatever else you have. Set reminders for upcoming bills, tax payment dates, and payroll remittance deadlines. Simply paying your bills on time might save you thousands of dollars per year. Not to mention, keep your credit rating in check. Number 3. Bank statements. E-bills are all the rage these days, thanks to the internet. Sure, it is environmentally beneficial, but if you are ever audited, the auditor will demand actual copies of everything, not digital copies. You should, at the very least, ask for a bank statement to be mailed to you. Number 4. Keep accurate records. Far too many business owners fail to keep accurate records. The glue that holds your company together is bookkeeping. You cannot make financially sensible business judgments until you have strong books. And finally, number 5. Computer software. The most common blunder people make is failing to properly configure software when it is installed on their computers. If you want a reliable financial report, make sure it is set up appropriately from the beginning. These easy tactics will help streamline your records and make bookkeeping more pleasurable if you incorporate them into your bookkeeping cycle. Folks, thank you for listening. Visit us at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com for quality ebooks, audiobooks, and HD video courses. Join our Facebook group, My Learning Center, and subscribe to our channel, My Learning Center, on YouTube.